Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Copy.ai to draft emails inside Gmail. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Copy.ai's website. Log into your Copy.ai account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. Look for the option to integrate with Gmail. Follow the prompts to connect your Copy.ai account with your Gmail account. You may need to grant permissions for Copy.ai to access. After integration is complete, open your Gmail inbox. Compose a new email or open an existing email thread you want to respond to. Find the Copy.ai icon usually located in the toolbar of the Email Compose window. Click on the Copy.ai icon to access the drafting interface. Choose the type of email template you want to use, such as a response, introduction, or follow-up. Fill in the necessary details like the recipient and the main message points. Click on the Generate button to create your email draft. Review the generated email content and make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied with the draft, click the Insert button to add the text to your email. Finish editing your email as needed and hit Send when you're ready. And that's how you enable Copy.ai to draft emails inside Gmail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.